everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing with these new digital cut files that scrapbook.com is now offering over on their website. This is the 'Tis the Season pack, and it comes with all kinds of images that you can cut with your electronic cutting machine or print if you don't own one. And right now there's a new release special with the entire set 50% off at $2.99. You can hardly beat that. I'll be featuring more of these products and combining them with my more traditional methods and tools in the future. I'm curious though and trying to decide if I should post these videos on this YouTube channel or start another channel that just has videos featuring these more modern products and techniques. Please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my future content. Okay, now let's get into it. But first, a little disclaimer. I'm working on Cricut Design Space because that's what I have right now. I currently am working with a Cricut Explore Air 2, which I love. Previously, I owned a Silhouette Cameo, so if you ever have any questions when I share these videos, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. But since Cricut is what I'm using, this is what the videos will be based on at this time. After I received these cut files, I uploaded the ones I'd be working with to my Design Space library, and then selected these two images to add to my Design Space to create my image. My goal is to combine these images to make a fun design where the trees are intertwined with the sentiment. To do this, I started by making sure both images are the same size. I decided on a standard A2 card size, which is 5.5 inches wide and 4.25 inches tall, as I'd be making a horizontal bottom opening card. I then select both images and center them on top of each other and click the Slice tool icon. I'm a big fan of the Slice tool. Check out this fun image that I created in no time flat. I don't need these additional layers on the left, so I'll delete them. Next, I select the image and click Duplicate 2 times. This will give me 3 images that I can cut out in different colors and make several cards by mixing up the different elements that are cut. You know the old saying, measure twice, cut once. Well, electronic die cutting is no exception. So before I send these images to be cut, I centered them on top of each other just to make sure that they are exact matches. With that out of the way, it's time to click the Make It button and send these to my machine. Now, Design Space likes to suggest how the items will be placed for cutting, but I'm doing something a little different today. As you can see on the left, I have my mat loaded up with 3 different papers. This helps an impatient crafter like myself get to it faster because there's no need to change paper in between cuts. I just shimmy the images around so they are on opposite corners and everything is all ready to be cut. And just when I thought everything was going so well, I realized that I've deleted the files where I created these cards. Hang in there though with me and I'll show you the cards and describe what I did. They're pretty self-explanatory, so I don't think it'll be a problem. The first card I created by taking a 5.5 inch by 4.25 inch piece of white cardstock and covering it with some double-sided adhesive. I then took off the backing strips and applied the white cut piece to the panel with all of the die cut pieces left out. I then placed each of the green trees into the tree spots and the red sentiment into the sentiment spots, and covered all of the snowflake holes with Nouveau Glimmer Gel for a finishing touch. The next card is created by taking a 5.5 inch piece of 5.5 inch by 4.25 inch piece of green glitter paper and applying it to the card base, and then covering it with the red die cut pieces. Pretty flashy on a fly, I say. Next up, we have the green panel. I trimmed about a 1/16 of an inch off of each of the 4 sides to help create a small border, and then attached the panel to a 5.5 inch by 4.25 inch card base. I then took some cute little gold stars and added them to each of the trees for some shine. Last but not least, I took an old piece of scrap paper that had some fun candy cane stripes and added the green sentiment. I have yet to make a card with the white sentiment, but once that's done, that makes a grand total of 5 easy Christmas cards that I can add to my stash. Again, I'm sorry the video went missing. Maybe it's the universe giving you some extra time to give those cards a try. Don't forget to click the link below if you'd like to purchase the cut files. If you do decide to purchase, at no additional cost, I will receive a small percentage, which gives me a little something to help keep improving my videos. Thank you again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Don't forget to comment below on how you like these videos that showcase more modern techniques. I look forward to seeing you next time. Happy crafting!